Hey everyone, and welcome back to Trend Central. Now what I have for you in today's video are 10 questions only a genius can answer. Basically, in this test, there will be 10 questions that will trick your brain in different ways. Now if you like these videos, then make sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like these. Now if you did subscribe to the channel, then leave a comment saying I subscribed, as a few lucky comments will be winning an Amazon gift card. But anyway, let's begin today's video. Number 10. Let's start out this test with an easy question. Look at this picture filled with cartoon elephants and try to find the odd animal out. I'll give you 10 seconds to find. However, you should see it almost instantly. Just in case you don't find it, the panda is marked in red. Number 9. Study the image you see on screen and try to determine which tank will fill up first. You have 30 seconds to answer, however, pause the video if necessary due to the complexity of the question. Both tank 3 and 4 will fill up first. Since the connector pipes leading out of tanks 1 and 2 are located at the bottom of the tanks, they won't start filling until tanks 3 and 4 are filled, which is why tanks 3 and 4 will both be filled at the same time. So once those tanks are filled, tank 2 will be filled completely and then tank 3. Number 8. Here's a tricky riddle. What's filled with tea and starts and ends with T? You have 15 seconds to answer. The answer is a teapot. Although some people may have guessed it, there will be many people confused by this question. However, here's how to work your way around it. A teapot is filled with tea. It starts with the letter T and also ends with the letter T. Number 7. How many F's can you see in this sentence? I'll give you some time to read it. Was your answer 4 or 5? Well, if it was, then you're unfortunately wrong, as there are in fact 6 F's in this sentence. The reason why you most likely counted less than 6 is because our brain oftentimes skips words such as scientific as it's placed on 2 lines. Number 6. How many cubes make up this structure? You have 20 seconds to count, so if possible, try not pausing the video. The answer is 9. If you didn't get that number, it's because only 6 cubes are visible. But assuming the structure exists under the normal circumstances of Earth's gravity, in order to hold its shape, there must be at least 3 more cubes to hold up all the cubes. Number 5. As it says in the picture, try to find the mistake hidden in this image. You have 10 seconds to find it, so try not to pause the video. If you were looking for the mistake in the numbers, then you couldn't possibly have found the mistake, as the mistake is in fact in the word mistake in the sentence under the numbers. The reason why you most likely checked in the numbers first is because our attention is taken off the sentence the second we read it, due to there being a command. Number 4. Here's a page full of O's. However, within all those O's, there is the letter C hidden. Can you find it in 15 seconds? Just in case you haven't found it, it's marked in red. Now, if you did find it in the first few seconds or instantly, then it means you're a very observant person and you can easily distinguish patterns. So if you did find it quickly, then give yourself a pat on the back. Number 3. Here's a tricky riddle which till this day many people still get wrong. Now there could be multiple answers, however try the answer with the most obvious one. What gets wetter and wetter the more it dries? You have 15 seconds to answer. The answer is a towel, because the more you use a towel to dry yourself, the more water it absorbs from your body, because to dry someone, it needs to get wet in the process. Number 2. Read all these words out loud. Loast, coast, roast, ghost, host, woast, post, quost, nost, boast. Now quickly, what do you put in a toaster? Answered toast? Well, you're not alone, as most people will answer toast after hearing words with a similar sound. However, the answer is in fact bread. This question shows how easy it is for the brain to be manipulated. Number 1. Read this sentence you see in the triangle. It says, Paris in the spring, right? Well, unfortunately, not if you take a closer look at it. You will notice there are 2 thes in the sentence, and the reason that you probably didn't notice it at first is because our brain connects words into sentences faster than we can read.